They wanted me. Drew Rad. I've seen it before and I'm always like, girl, that looks amazing. Like, wow. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you, I'm really excited about. It is day 4 of August 2019 box week, and the reason I am so excited is because I have a new box today. And this is a box I've been looking at for a really long time and been like super duper interested in it. And today I actually get to share it with you. And this box is the Fall Fab Fit Fun box. I know a lot of you either already get this or know about it, and like, I am late to the party, but I'm really excited. So, Fab Fit Fun is a quarterly subscription. It costs $49.99 and it charges you seasonally, so like every 3 months you get charged for it. This is the fall box. I did want to let you know, so this box was actually sent to me by Fab Fit Fun. They asked me to be a Fab Fit Fun partner with them for this season, for the fall season, and I'm like totally honored. Like, I was like, for real? Like me? Like, they want me. They wanted me, Drew Rad, to be a partner with them for the fall box, and I'm super excited. So also, that leads me to say, if you want to try out this box after watching this video, code to use is RAD, R-A-D, and you will save $10 off your first box of Fab Fit Fun. So I'm excited. I've never ever actually opened this box before. I've seen it before, and I'm always like, girl, that looks amazing. Like, wow. So like the fact that I get to try it, and I get to try it as a Fab Fit Fun partner. Okay, so I am going to just get into it. I got Mr. John Wayne here, and you guys, I'm excited. Okay, let's just get into it. All right, so opening it up right on the top. First of all, I've got ladies like working out. I'm into that. So on the top they have a magazine with Meghan Trainor on the top. I feel like that's so awesome. Like, I'm already like geeked. Like, I'm already just like, okay, I'm geeked. So they have a Fab Fit Fun magazine that actually gives you like style advice and just kind of like what's coming up for fall. I just feel like that's so cool. Like, dude, like that's just so cool. And so that's right on the top. Next up, they have a couple things where you can save money for like HelloFresh. You can save on a meal kit, and they also have like another like coupon thing in here as well. All right, so let's just get into it. So there's like this cute little tissue paper. I'm like, I don't even know. Like, guys, like I'm gonna try and be cool, but I'm freaking out because I know this box is like the bomb.com. All right, so right on the top, we have earrings from Bauble Bar, which are absolutely like gorgeous. Like, seriously, can you see those? Look at those. Oh my gosh. Those are like amazing. So these are earrings from the Bauble Bar, which I feel like they're just absolutely gorgeous, and I can't wait to try them on. Next we have Tristique Mini Eye Essentials. So it looks like they have a brow pencil, a shadow crayon, 2 different shadow crayons, and an eye pencil in here, all from Tristique, and it looks like these are the colors. I feel like that's really cool. So the cool thing is they have this shadow crayon right here, which I'm guessing you could use like as a base for like your eyeshadow to like kind of like do more buildable looks, and I feel like that's just really awesome. Next thing that we have is Human and Kind Skincare with a Conscious. All right, so this is a body souffle. All right, look at this. Full size. Like, everything in here is like full size. Like, this box is just like ridiculous. Like, I don't even, this is amazing. Like, I'm so excited that they chose me to be a Fab Fit Fun partner for the fall season. Like, this is just insane. Guys, they have Aveda. Oh my gosh! You guys, okay. True story. This product, I got a sample from my hairdresser, and I've been using it in my hair all the time, like this little sample, and I'm at the point where I'm like, I don't have any left. And I just got a full size in this box. Like, this is a product that I personally use and was like, man, I'm gonna have to actually go and buy that now. Aveda Damage Remedy. This stuff is amazing, especially like for when I wear my hair curly. This stuff is the bomb. I can't even, this box, like, I'm done. Like, Aveda, like full size Aveda inside this box. I don't know if I've ever gotten Aveda in any other subscription box ever. So this already is just like I'm completely wowed by it in like the best way. Next we have Aromatherapy Deep Relax Roller Ball. So a roll-on ball to help you relax. All right, let me open this up and see. I'm trying to keep everything like really nice because I'm like, this is so pretty. Oh man, that's nice. I'm gonna put some on Joshy when he's asleep so he can chill out. Just kidding. No, I need it. Like, I'm the one. I'm the extra one in the house. If you haven't already like noticed just by the video, it's me. Yeah. All right. Next we have something from Amika. All right, Amika. What do we have in here? You guys, oh my God. You guys, a full-size flat iron from Amika. Like, are you kidding? Like, are you actually kidding right now? Like, this is insane. Like, a full-size flat... Like, for real? I can't... Yeah, so again, if you want to save $10, RAD, R-A-D, that's my code. You need to just, like, I don't even... Pause the video. Go get your life. Like, I don't even know what to say. Like, this is insane. Like, this box is insane. Next up, we have Juice Cleanse Harper Art Exfoliating Sugar Cubes. Oh my gosh, I've actually seen these in stores. Oh, they smell so good. Oh my God, these smell good. Oh my God. It smells so good. Like, these just came... Oh my God. I've always seen these like sugar cubes and I'm always like, I wonder what these are like to use. And then I just got them to try. I don't even know what to say. Like, after the flat iron, I don't really know where I go from here. I just feel like this box is just like, that's like, yeah. So I think this is the last thing in here. And I'm just, again, like, honestly, like, can't even, I don't know. So it looks like this is a wallet from Cut From The Cloth. Okay, so it looks like we got a wallet in here. This is amazing. You guys, full size Aveda. Like, are you for real? Like, who? Okay, I honestly, like, I'm so honored, like, to, like, be able to try this. Look at this wallet. Oh my God. This is so awesome. Look at, oh my gosh. I actually, like, needed a new wallet. This is amazing. You guys, this box is really, really awesome. Like, I'm blown away. Like, I really, really, really love this. I'm impressed by it. Like I said, Fab Fit Fun sent me this. They asked me to be a Fab Fit Fun partner for the, like, for the fall season. And I can't even talk. I'm like without words. And I just can't believe it. Like, I feel like this is just an amazing box, an amazing value. And like, that's honestly how I feel. Like, you guys know I open boxes all the time. And like, seriously, this product alone, the damage remedy for hair, is like worth the entire box to me because this product is like phenomenal. I actually use it myself. Like I said, I had a sample and I was running low on it and I was like, dang it, I'm gonna have to buy it, and then I got it in the box. That's amazing. So quickly to recap, we got the Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. We got the Harper and Ari Exfoliating Sugar Cubes. We got the Cut From The Cloth wallet, which I feel like is just really cool. Like, I love the fact that I got a wallet. Like, that's just really awesome. We got the Deep Relax Roller Ball for de-stressing, just to roll on, which I need. We got the Humankind Body Souffle Lotion right here. We got the Trestique Mini Eye Essentials, and it comes with a brow pencil, a two different shadow crayons, and an eye pencil, which I feel like is really, really awesome. We got these beautiful earrings from Bobble Bar. Oh yeah, and then we got the full-size straightener from Amika. So this box, amazing. The fact that we got a full-size straightener is just like unbelievable. And let's not forget, we also did get a magazine as well to kind of talk about fall and what's coming up. At least I think it talks, yep, fall. It says fall on that. I was like, I think it talks about fall. I'm assuming. Yeah. So this box is amazing. Again, if you want to try it for yourself, the code to use is RAD and you will save $10. Otherwise, yeah, so that's all I have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew, spelled the same way as down below. If you are part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family, because we are literally the best crew because anybody and everybody can be in our crew. I love you guys so much, and if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life. And I will see you tomorrow for day 5 of Box Week. Alright, talk to you. Love you. Goodbye. Goodbye. Notice my jacket. I wanted to make sure that you noticed it. I don't know why I'm obsessed with these little thumb holes. This is nothing new. This has been like a trend.